everybody, glad you jumped in with me. Today we're going to make mini pecan pies or little mini tarts. But the first thing you have to do is you make this crust. It's better than anything you could buy. Actually, if you're going to make crust for anything during these holidays, try this one first. It's so easy because I'm going to show you. It's 2 sticks of butter. And this one makes like enough for 4. So you can put it in the refrigerator and save it, which I am going to do because I'm going to make several of this. Now that's 2 sticks of butter and just plain 6 ounces of cream cheese. And save the other. And we're going to cream them. I'm using the little paddle. We'll put about half of the flour. This is 2 cups of just regular flour. It's not self-rising or anything. Now, I'm using salted butter. If you don't use salted butter, go ahead and maybe put your 1/8 of a teaspoonful of butter in here. 1/8 of a teaspoonful of salt. Well, it's all sticking together now, so we can get it out. It's sticky and really smooth. Just make it into a nice little round ball. Now cut it into 4 pieces. Eyeball it. This looks a little bit bigger. So I'll put it over here. This one seems a little bit small. The reason I'm trying to get them to about the same size is because they're perfect for a pie or 12 muffins. So I just put them in a plastic like this. Roll it. Now they need to go, it needs to go in the refrigerator about 2 hours to set up, just to cool and set up. Most pie dough does. And then we'll do our pecan pies. Okay, now we're going to do our filling. I have 4 tablespoons of butter in here. And this is a 1.5 cups of brown sugar. You can cut it back to a 1 1/4 cups if you want to, without hurting the recipe. 3 eggs. Get it all combined there. And you can feel the sugar sort of mix it in good, you know, it's okay. We'll give it about a minute though. And cold. It's 1.5. See how that goes. Now let me get mine mess cleaned up. I guess I could have put it in a bottle or a squeeze bottle. If I was making more than one pan, I probably would have. Because I tell you, these are the nicest size to take to a dinner at church or to a friend's house, because just that way nobody has to cut a pie and nobody don't have to eat half the pie. Okay, now let's put our pecans in. I'm using about 1.5 cups of pecans. Just fill your tops with plenty of pecans. After all, it is pecan pie. Now these go in the oven from 18 to 20 minutes. It just really depends on the ovens. I've got a confectionery oven that I simply do not like, but because I don't know how long it takes for some of the things to come out. Well, I think we have a very good mixture. Everything's covered up. Okay, well, I'm going to put this in and we'll see how it goes in about 20 minutes. Well, I got my pecan. It's very hot, but see how pretty they are. I took a couple out. I just got it out of the oven, so it's a little bit too hot to mess with. But yeah, I took my spoon and went around it and it just slid right out. Look how pretty the crust is. And I was going to make minis, so it would have been 18 minutes, but with the big ones, it was 22 minutes. So be sure and check it about 20 minutes. But I can't eat it. It's too hot. That one rolled out a little bit right there. Yeah, okay. Well, it's good. Well, I'm going to let these cool for about a half hour and then take them out and put them on a wire, and then we can enjoy them a little bit more. Well, it's been a good day, and I love doing this. The minis I love too, but I think these are more for what I wanted right now. Anyway, have a good day. Try the minis. If you need any help, just drop me a line. It's been enjoy the day. Enjoy and remember the joy. We'll see you soon.